So finally, big breaking news is out. S&P Global is announced a software engineering technology graduate program and one more superset urgent mass opportunity and one more direct test opportunity, plus JED has announced graduate hiring. So if you don't know what type of hiring is this, I want to tell you one thing, that this is officially mass hiring. Just announced S&P Global software engineering graduate program, Hyderabad location is there, IT. So as a graduate program participant, you quickly gain टेक्नोलॉजीज और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बट आई वांट टू टेल यू ओनली मेन थिंग दैट ओनली 26 बैचेस एलिजिबल. बीटेक इन कंप्यूटर साइंस IT सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग इज एलिजिबल. प्लस कम्युनिकेशन मैनेजमेंट स्किल प्लस IT नॉलेज इज वेरी कंपलसरी, लाइक योर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस, कोडिंग, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, एल्गोरिथम, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग, बिकॉज दिस इज प्योर IT रोल. दैट्स व्हाई ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड डेटाबेस इज वेरी कंपलसरी एंड डिजाइन पैटर्न इज ऑल्सो कंपलसरी. ओनली गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ नॉलेज, नॉट इंटरमीडिएट और एडवांस level, because if you see pursuing candidate is eligible, that's why only basic level of domain is required, but all you have to put in resume. Don't think that DSA is written there so you are not putting. No, put that DSA algorithm, but put bracket and type their basic also. So this will give a hint to an interviewer that you know this domain but only basic level. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं जाएगी. So you have to read the responsibilities part, that pure development is going on, technical designing, implementation is there, all team member are responsible for delivering into production, means code to production तक का तुम्हारा पूरा यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट रहेगा. So please apply for this hiring software engineering. Don't take referral because officially 26 batch is eligible fresher. So maybe if you put putting these domain resume, then definitely there is shortlisting. So they will shortlist you if there is domain in resume. ठीक है. Critical thinking, interpersonal skill is also compulsory. These are interpersonal skills. Put all interpersonal skills plus IT domain in resume and get the shortlisting mail. So big giant company just announced talent IT and direct test opportunity. 25 batches eligible. QA, automation, Selenium, Python or Java is mandatory, but if you see that you have to click on this link, and if you scroll down then there is two hiring, like quality engineer, senior QA and QA lead. First understand quality engineering, that these domain is compulsory put in resume for an interview, not for test, because this is direct test opportunity, but there is shortlisting in an interview. That's why you have to put that domain in resume. Bangalore 6 month is minimum requirement of experience up to 1 year, and for this 5 to 6 year, और इसका पैकेज बहुत हाई होगा for senior candidates. And how to apply, just you have to participate, fill this form as soon as possible, and after that you will automatically redirect it to the assessment. Means after applying you will see the button or email of the direct test link. You can easily participate in that, and after round 1 assessment of your application, if you successfully complete, you will undergo 2 interview round. ठीक है. undergo with, तो उसके बाद 2 राउंड्स होंगे और उससे ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है. तो अप्लाई करो इसके लिए. एंड एक्सपीरियंस इन सेलेनियम यू कैन इजीली पुट 0 इफ यू आर फ्रेशर, लाइक 6 मंथ वाले हो तो कर सकते हो. फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू होगा, ध्यान रखना. यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन यस, अदरवाइज इफ यू आर क्लिकिंग ऑन नो और मे बी, देन दे विल रिजेक्ट यू. यू हैव टू पुट यस on face-to-face interview in Bangalore. So fill this form as soon as possible. This is big giant company. Minimum package is 5 LPA and maximum तुम you can अंदाजा लगा लो experience 5 to 6 से बहुत high package होगा. So one more officially hiring is around Decision Analytics Associate. JED has announced the big pan India opportunity. So this is mass hiring. ठीक है. Normal hiring नहीं है. Up to 3 year of relevant experience is required. In Python you can check Python, Java, R is there, BTech Computer Science, IT Software Engineering, Data Science, AI, ML, all is eligible, and all interpersonal skill is compulsory to put in resume. Plus these tools is compulsory, Tableau, VBA or R or SAS, and tools and platform you can easily put with the database SQL or MySQL. PostgreSQL is compulsory. So click on apply now as soon as possible. Don't take, you can take referral basically for this, but don't take referral for SIP Global because this is limited time hiring. बहुत जल्दी बंद होने वाली, so apply it with updated resume. And for JEDAS, take referral. This is the job ID. Take referral as soon as possible with updated resume, because here also you have to update your resume, because here is written different type of skill, like Tableau is compulsory, Python, R, Hadoop ecosystem compulsory है, and these interpersonal skills. That's it. So urgent big opportunity, Cognizant superset hiring fresher, hiring for trainee, analyst, and 3 year of full-time degree is required for 24-25 batches eligible. 12 days is left, but there is 3 hirings, means 3 roles is there. So if you see analyst trainee role is there, second role is analyst trainee aligned to multi-cloud, and the third one is the digital workspace service. So you have to check the separate criteria for each role, like 50% is required for workspace, and here you can see 50% is also required for multi-cloud, but 60% is required for smart IT integrated, means this is pure IT role basically. That's why 60% is compulsory, but in both 24-25 plus 3-year graduate is eligible. But check out your degrees also, and round off these minimum percentage qualification, and put all these domain resume which you are applying. Like if you are applying for IT, then you have to put CRUD, all database skills plus database algorithm, not database, MySQL, PostgreSQL, these are compulsory. If you scroll down, here is the one thing you have to keep in mind. This is mandatory document for interview, but skip this part because this is not mandatory. Mandatory document for registration. First you have to register, then you will go in for document verification if you selected. So first focus on this part only, because resume 2 page only with high resolution passport size photograph at the top right corner, यहाँ पे होना चाहिए photograph. That's it. उसके बाद कुछ भी नहीं है. Apply it as soon as possible. So these are the big giant opportunities that Cognizant Superset hiring. Applied as soon as possible. Take referral for JAD-S because Disease Analyst Associate role is announced for Pan India hiring, Pan location, and this is a direct test opportunity. Apply for this hiring also. And for SAP Global Software Engineering graduate program is announced for officially 26 batch. Then you have to what to do, already told you, put all these domain. Even if you don't know, put a basic at the front of that domain, but please put that domain in resume, otherwise you will never get the shortlisting mail. This is official hiring for passing year 2026 fresher opportunity. Don't miss this hiring. Apply it as soon as possible. If you're having any query, just comment down, and like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.